Hello, do you run a home decor store? Are you looking for a new supplier to expand its product range? Excellent! Let's take a close look at the Bimago Wholesaler and find out if it is worth your attention. Bimago is one of the largest wholesalers in Poland, focused on wall decorative articles. The supplier's offer includes several thousand products such as paintings, photo wallpapers, posters and screens. The biggest advantage of the wholesaler is its specialization in quite narrow market segment, wall decorations. This makes the offer of this supplier original, and finding competition with an equally rich assortment of this type can be a challenge. In addition, the offered products are available in countless patterns and colors, so that even the most demanding customers will find something for themselves. Bimago gives its partners access to carefully prepared descriptions of products as well as their photos, presenting various views of a given product. Thanks to this, it is possible to present them to your store's customers in an attractive way immediately after importing. Information about products is provided in the form of an XML file containing complete data about them. In addition to photos and descriptions, it includes current prices, inventory, as well as information about the category and delivery time. The warehouse actively cooperates with integration service providers, thanks to which it is possible to quickly stock up your store, regardless of the platform on which it was built. Cooperation with Bimago can be based both on the classic sales model as well as the dropshipping model, allowing for the direct execution of orders by a wholesaler. According to Bimago, currently over 70% of orders are sold to individual customers. Placing orders takes place on the wholesale panel, available on the supplier's website, and a wide selection of available payment methods allows for quick finalization of the transaction. It is worth mentioning that the warehouse does not provide the option of cash on delivery. The order processing time varies depending on the product category and its availability. As a manufacturer, Bimago offers immediate shipment of popular products such as wallpapers or canvas prints, but some items such as screens or handcrafted paintings are prepared on the client's order and the shipping time may be extended. The warehouse enables international sales to selected countries, mainly located in Europe. Although shipping is not yet fully global, the wholesaler is constantly striving to expand it, planning to include countries such as the United States and China in the near future. Information about products is available in Polish, English and other European languages: French, German, Italian, Dutch or Portuguese. This allows for immediate commencement of sales outside of Poland. The costs of shipping products by Bimago depend on the type of product ordered. Shipment of many products from one category involves a one-time fee, but for products from different categories, shipping costs may be higher. This is due to different delivery times and size of products. Bimago provides complete information about products, including their photos and descriptions, which have been additionally translated into the most commonly used European languages. In conjunction with a wide range of shipping, it opens the possibility for Bimago's partners to sell on most markets in Europe. The preparation and shipping of orders should also not be a problem for store owners. The only thing worth remembering is the differences in time and delivery costs for each individual category of the assortment. Considering all the mentioned aspects, Bimago turned out to be excellent in our test. For this reason, the wholesaler receives the badge highly recommended and a sincere recommendation. If the Bimago assortment has caught your interest, cooperation with the supplier will almost certainly meet your expectations.